Please welcome our Grasshopper representative Michael Matson.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Matson with Grasshopper Mowers. I'm over here today at Nationwide General Rental Center in Amarillo, Texas, and I wanted to do a quick little walk around on our stand-on SL26 Grasshopper ZeroTurn mower. First off, with this mower, this is available in two different sizes. It's available in a 52-inch cut or a 61-inch cut. Now this comes with a 26 horsepower Vanguard engine on it. It's got a 5.5-inch Duramax deck, so it's 5.5 inches thick. It's going to be 10 gauge steel with a combination of 7 over top of the spindle planes. As we move around to the side, you'll notice that it actually has a fuel tank on both sides, so you can switch back and forth. So this thing will hold actually a little over 9 gallons, which is plenty to get you through a cutting day. As we move around to the back side here, you can see that I've included a trash bucket kit where you can actually put a 5-gallon bucket in there, and you can use it for picking up trash, obstacles, rocks, any debris that you have out in front of you as you're mowing. Let's go over to the other side real quick, and you'll see here that I also added a string trimmer kit that can be mounted right here, where you can carry your trimmer with you as you go along when you're mowing during your work day. As we look at the back of the unit, you can see the lean-on pad with the Grasshopper logo. Now this will lift up and give you easy access to your transmission and your battery. Now you'll also notice that it has this big long screw here, right here. So if I flip this back down, you'll notice this bolt right here with a 3/4 inch socket. This platform can actually be raised 4.5 inches. So if you're a taller or smaller operator, that platform can actually be raised or lowered to suit your best needs. Now, if you look at the platform that you stand on, you can see that it has 2 dampeners on each side. And then down below a little farther, I don't know if I can see it or not, but it also has 4 springs. These are all adjustable, so you can make the feel of this deck however you want, depending on what size of person you are. Now, as we look at the top of the operator panel, you'll see that over here we've got your choke, you've got your throttle, your blade to disengage and engage. Up here on the top, you can see an oil gauge, a brake light, your hour meter. Over here, you've got your LED lights, which are standard on this unit. And then you can see your operating controls. Now, these are adjustable for speed. You can actually adjust this lever on each side if you want to control the maximum speed as you push these forward. These are hydraulically dampened, so they're always going to return back to the center position. Inside the little holder here, we've got a USB port for your phones where you can tuck your phone in a little bit and it's out of the way safely and protected. Over on the side here, you can see we've got an adjustable cup holder. Another thing that's really nice about this stand-on, as you can see, here's where you actually adjust the height of your deck. Now, what's unique about us is you'll see as I move this up and down, not sure if you can get that in the video, but the engine, deck, and transmission all move together. So you're not going to have any binding or any pressure on the belt. It's all going to move as one unit, which is really nice. And as I jump off here, you can see this is where you adjust your height. It's a simple pin adjustment. You can cut anywhere from 1.5 inches up to 5 inches on this unit. This also comes with a 2-year unlimited warranty. And we also carry this unit in one size larger than this. As I mentioned, this is an SO26. We also carry an SO37 that has a 37 horsepower Vanguard big block engine. And that unit is available in a 61 or a 72-inch cut. If you have any more questions or would like to demo one of these, please contact your closest Grasshopper dealer. Or if you're in Amarillo, swing into Nationwide General Rental. Thank you.